Yo, what's good, squad? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Dylan. Hope y'all been doing good. Hope y'all been safe. It's another beautiful day. Every day has been beautiful, man. Got the FA5 out. Project Miata sleeping in here. But yeah, every day's been nice. It's summertime. It's time to take advantage of this weather. I just want to finish up all the builds. Want to get everything done. Build my vision. You know how it goes. So yeah, let's do that today. So it's time to get things done between both the FA5 and the Project Miata. So quick update on this car. So take a quick look at what came in, y'all. Got my boss kit, HKB Sports. This is for the Miata. Boss kit. So this is gonna fit. This is for the steering wheel. This is gonna fit Nardi wheels, Momo, personal. Let's open it up. So this is just a simple little eBay hub. It was pretty cheap. Because I'm in Canada, shipping was cost a little bit to get it here, but finally came in. Simple boss kit, nothing too crazy. So let's go ahead and open this car just to see how it would be. So yeah, steering wheel hub. I think some modifications will be needed to install the wheel, but should fit perfectly. Goes right there. Mount your steering wheel in the 6 holes. And yeah, steering wheel install should be coming soon. So lots of ideas coming soon for the Miata. You got that steering wheel. I'm hoping to get it on the road soon. It's been a struggle due to this COVID situation, but this car is on this way. Just wait on it. I already got the vision ready, so stay tuned. Now let's take a look at the update for the FA5. But before we do that, jet tag keychains available now. Link is in the description for anyone who wants to support. Go get yours today. Really appreciate it. But yeah, let's go take a look at the FA5 update. So y'all see what this is. I got the CSX trunk back out. It's time to make some moves on this. Today I'm going to be removing like the inner tail lights, the license plate bolts, anything on the inside, wires, just so I can send this trunk off to get painted. So let's do it. So you know what Hondas, a lot of things are 10 mil. That's what I'm doing right now, 10 mil for these bolts. So easy, man. Done. So I'm working on this side. I'm gonna take these like push pins out. So I got all the push pins out. It's perfect. Like this trunk, it has all the harnesses still here. I know some people when they do the conversion, they just get the bare spare trunk. So it's a little bit tough, but it's perfect. These all have harnesses. If I ever need to wire them up, I can just splice into them, and it should be a direct bolt-on onto the FA5. So yeah, still working on it. Tail lights are gonna come out. I don't know if I'll take out the trunk latch. I got my license plate light harness, so it's cool. Let's get it done. Man, we got some thunderstorms coming in. I thought it was a beautiful day trying to work on the car, but weather said otherwise. Anyway, making some progress. I got one inner tail light out. It's pretty easy, few bolts. Time to get the other one. That rain hitting. Oh shit, now that rain hitting. Shit. So for the inner tail light, it's literally just 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you just push them out. I'm trying to do this one hand. There we go, one side out. Let's go on the outside here. And just pull it out. That's it, inner tail light. Over here with the other one. Okay, so I think I'm finished over here. I try to take out the glue for the CSX over here, and also the Acura. I got the license plate bolts out, inner tail lights. Underneath, the wiring and all the harnesses are still there. I got the trunk latch out, but we'll see what the body shop says. I just want to get the outside refinished, not both sides. It's gonna be cheaper. Yeah, we'll see what they say. Even though it is thunderstorming, the show must go on. About to load up the van, get this trunk out of here. So I'm in a little bit of a rush. I'm in the big body, got the trunk loaded up. It's time to head out to the body shop and get this done. Oh shit, my bad. Yeah, let's get this done. Almost there to the body shop, but look at that. Spotted R35 GTR, pretty dope. But making our way. It's so different driving this car, man. Like, it's so much higher. Finally here. The keys. I got my mask. Let's head out. Gonna wear this. Let's see what they say.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, y'all. So I'm back. Man, it's official. Trunk is dropped off. It's gonna be painted soon. Yeah, I'm about to go broke. It is what it is. I wanted the CSX rear end. It's finally about to get done. It's a little bit pricey, but I think in the end it's gonna be worth it. So stay tuned for the CSX conversion swap. Time to head home and see what we're gonna get into. We found our second spot of the day. Car spotted. Look at that, that's tough right there. Nissan. Pretty tough. You probably saw me. GTR. Another R35. What's going on today, man? All the Nissans are out here. That's sick though. This is what I was talking about. About to pull up on them. R35. I like that orange color, man. Looks so dope. R35 in Brampton. Alright, y'all, so I'm finally home, back from the body shop. I'm out of the big body van. I moved out the FA5. So the CSX trunk is now dropped off at the body shop. It's ready to go. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna have to go back another day with the car just to get it paint matched. When you get stuff painted, depending on the material, like this is polyurethane, this is obviously plastic, and then this is like a metal piece. It won't come out 100%, so I'm gonna go back another day. They're gonna match it up, see which shade of blue looks best with the car, and hopefully it comes out clean. Since I had the car out when it rained, look at that. Look at all the dirty spots. Come on now. Just from that little rain. So you know what time it is. I'm gonna get a car wash. Okay, so it's time to head out. Let me open this up. It's time to head out. It feels much more comfortable being in here. You guys already know the vibes. SI gang. But yeah, let's head out. To the car wash. I always got to do VTEC. A VTEC a day keeps the, I don't even know, just hit VTEC. Made it here at the car wash. Do I have everything? Yep. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
All done. Look at that sunset though. Perfect timing. Car is clean. Got some pics in. So to get out of here and call it a day. Back to the ends I go. Time to go home. But yeah, the D10 springs, I'm actually liking it, y'all. Like, after a while you get used to it. It's not that bad. It's not that bad at all. So that's gonna do it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Car's parked up, clean, nice. We made some progress today. Hopefully everything goes well. Stay tuned for the Miata build. Stay tuned for this build. Big shout out to everyone who's been supporting the channel. I appreciate everything. Y'all doing the most, but like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at HighBeamsCrew. Follow the merch at highbeams.ca. All the latest stuff will be in the link in the description. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.